So, one more thing. Once you are done with your test, you properly discard. This is how to do series on iDealmedhealth. Welcome to this episode. And today we'll be talking about how you can test yourself from the comfort of your home. Okay, we'll be showing you different two cardinal ways. Okay, you can easily and comfortably test yourself from home without anything, and they are very, very easy to learn. But before then, it's important you understand why testing yourself or knowing your HIV status is very, very important. First, I will tell you this. Do you know that HIV can stay up to 10 good years or even more without you having signs or symptoms? And that's crazy. Maybe before you could even know you have HIV, it has developed into AIDS. And I know you don't want that. Okay. But when you test yourself or when you know your HIV status, you will be able to if you are positive, start taking antiretroviral drugs, which would help you to live a healthier and a happier life. Understand? I know you would like this second one that I'm telling you. If you know that you have HIV too, or maybe you are positive, you will know how to protect others from contracting this virus. That's a good one. And at such, you would reduce the burden on our healthcare systems. Think about this. So, just men knowing that you are positive will protect a lot of people around you, okay? And will equally save your own life. Also, I have been opportune to meet with some persons. And most times when I ask them, have you checked your status? They will end up telling me that they don't want to know their status because if they notice they are positive, that the thought of it can even kill them. And I will be like, no, it doesn't work that way. Okay, with the presence of antiretroviral drugs, once you are positive and you take your drugs as advised by a physician, you see yourself getting better, okay, to the level that this HIV cannot even be detected in your bloodstream. And if it cannot be detected, it cannot be what transmitted. So it's a good news. You don't have to be afraid. If you are positive, just go to your physician. Understand? So another reason why you should test yourself or know your status is maybe during to prevent mother to child transmission of this virus. But don't forget what we are here for. We are going to show you simple way, easy way, painless way. Okay, the other one might give you a little pain. But knowing some of these ways would help you prevent it, help you live happily, even give you peace of mind. Okay, you know that you are positive or you are negative, you have already known your state. So it's easier to get peace of mind than wallowing in ignorance of not knowing your status, which to me would be very, very detrimental. And I know you might have heard of opportunistic infections. Okay, what this means is this: once the HIV attacks your CD4 cell, which is necessary to fight other diseases, okay, those your CD4 cells are your body antibodies. Okay, they are more like soldiers of your body. They help fight against diseases. Understand? But when there is HIV, it starts killing those CD4 cells. gradually, and it will get to a point you become prone to virtually any disease. Understand? That's why you cannot talk about HIV in most cases without mentioning tuberculosis. Okay, because in persons that don't have HIV, for instance, they can have this tuberculosis, stay in the latent stage for years, even for their lifetime, without having any symptoms. But once HIV has intruded your, system, it's easier to start having symptoms and signs of this tuberculosis. That means you are in the active stage of tuberculosis. That's where you might start seeing coughing out blood and all those things. And I know you wouldn't want to be there. Okay. So there are many, many, many reasons to get yourself tested. That's why iDealmedHealth is here for you. On this How to Do series, I'll be showing you very simple way. And this one, I'll be using Aura. Okay. So on this episode, I'll be showing you how to test yourself of HIV from the comfort of your home using OraQuick. Okay, this is painless. You don't have to, see any blood. Like, it's as easy as that. All right, and it's equally affordable and readily available in most of the pharmacy stores. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid to get it. You don't need any license to go get this. Okay, so I'll be showing you. So I want you to pay rapt attention. All right, let me check myself. Okay, I checked myself last month, but let me check myself again. So first, before you use any medical device or anything, or is usually recommend is of high importance, you check the expiring date. So I'm gonna check this. It will be expiring 2nd of December 2024. So it's good to go. All right. And then, as is clearly written, follow instruction. All right. Once you open it, you will see a manual, okay, to use. So I'm opening it now. It says tear here. All right. Are you with me? We are tearing. Oh, wow. This is good. It is the manual. Oh, the manual. Okay, so you can follow it. I know it, so no need. I'm not gonna use it, but for you, you need this. Okay, you need it. There is written both in English and in Pidgin. All right, so anyone you can understand. What matters is you are doing it right. Okay. This is the stand. Okay, you just stand it here. Then this second pouch, you have to tear. First, look at this. Okay, and there is a mark where you can tear it from. All right, you tear and bring out the tube, and all obey instruction. This is the tube. All right, you can see, and then this is how to remove the cap of the tube. Do it gently. All right. You can see. I will slide it into the stand. All right. Then I will open my test device. It's still marked how you can tear it. Tear here. All right. So the instructions are very simple, and this test is gonna last for just 20 minutes. All right. Time yourself. So in getting out your test device, it's recommended you don't touch the flat pad. All right. Once you get it out, this is a flat pad. Once you get it out, and start it like this. Once this is done, start it to the test tube. And then wait for 20 minutes. It's a very easy thing to do. Okay. So now I'll be waiting for 20 minutes. I have my timer here with me that I have already set it. Okay. So once it's 20 minutes, I can count my results. All right. Do not wait for it to, exceed 20 minutes, and don't count in less than 20 minutes. Okay. So with that, we can get accurate results. And in a case where you see you have control and you have test. All right. In a case where you see two red lines on control and on test, that means the test is positive. All right. So you need to go for confirmation test. All right. You can visit any clinic. They will, run another test on you to really validate you are positive. Okay. And they will, take it off from there and see the possible ways they can help. All right. So always remember, HIV is not a death sentence. Okay. So after that, if also, okay, there is no line at all, that means it's an invalid test. All right. So when there is just one line on the control and no line on the test, that means it's a negative test. So you are HIV negative. All right. So let's wait and see what happens. Let me check if I'm positive or negative. It's just a month that I've checked myself. So let me confirm or validate with this one. My result is out. Wanna see it? Sure. As you can see, it's just one line at the control unit. That means I'm negative. All right. So for this test, I waited for exactly 20 minutes, okay, before I can read my test. Okay. So anything can lead to invalid results. Maybe you did not properly set up your maybe you touch this flat pad or anything. There are many things that can lead to it. Inadequate timing, many other things. So once you get an invalid result, which might be just no line, or it's invalid. Okay, like in pregnancy now, if it's one line, you are not pregnant. If it's two lines, if it's having two lines, then you are positive. Okay, but then again, HIV is not and never will it be a death sentence if you check yourself on time, okay, and adhere to your doctor's instruction and take your antiretroviral drugs effectively. Test, then you properly discard, okay? If you have a biohazard being or anyone, you just properly discard it so that no other person can touch, feel it. Thank you very much. See you on our next episode on how to do on Ideal Med Health. Thank you once more, but do not forget to share this video with your loved ones. It can save a life. It can save a life. Share it, like, turn on your notification bell because we're gonna be bringing to you amazing stuff. I promise you that. Okay, we are value packed. We have what it takes. The preventive health information must reach to the whole wide world. All right. Thank you once more. Ideal Med Health, creating a healthy world.